Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be rating some of my fidget toys. Alright, so first we got this squishy. It's not too squishy. It's not the best because it was a $2 squishy from Dollar General, so 7 out of 10 because I like the sprinkles. Okay. Alright, next we got this homemade fidget. It's supposed to be a marble and mesh, but I made this too small, so the bowl doesn't go up. So 6 out of 10 because I like to squish the ball that got stuck. Sorry, that's a commercial. I'm sorry. Anyway, now pop it. 10 out of 10. It's a really good pop it, and it's really loud. See, pop the bubbles. Yeah, pop it. Yeah, 10 out of 10 for sure. And then homemade Simple Dimple. I'm gonna give it a 3 out of 10 because this bubble here doesn't really pop, and this one doesn't always go back. So 3 out of 10. Alright, that's it for today. Bye, guys.